we need to check whether the density can. Firstly, we need to clean the dust. We use hand to move the density cam. Check it whether smoothly. This one is smoothly. It's easy to move. And we can find this one is not smooth, not moving. So maybe inside have problem, maybe bearing problem. So we need to remove the density motor. You see, red color mark, don't move. 1, 2, 3, screw, don't move. Just screw, lose this screw and the back side. 1, 2 screw. Use straight screwdriver. Use straight screwdriver. Lose the screw. Turn left. Lose screw. Another screw same. And this one screw, usually we use Allen key, 3 number. Turn right. Removes the density motor.